Introducing the next chapter in our story of living progress. Our vision of progressive luxury in the future. Not only a car, but your experience device. Starting a new era of meaningful and fascinating experiences. This is freedom in motion. High class, fully electric, human-centric.
Jessica Walsh has an exclusive event near to your current location. Would you like to schedule a visit? All right. Your visit is confirmed for this evening.
Delivering more than just an interior. It's a personal experience sphere that inspires and offers the freedom to choose between a first-class lounge on wheels in fully automated drive and an exciting sports driving experience. For all the senses, through impactful design, intelligent performance, and latest technology. Powered by a holistic digital ecosystem. The new essence of high-class mobility. Emotional, intuitive, personal.
Your experience is ready to share.
Shaping the future. The Audi Skysphere concept.
Today, we will redefine what grand touring in the 21st century can look like. Let's take a look at the inspiration that got us here.
For Audi, progress is a journey and a commitment, a road we travel every single day.
Let me be the first to welcome you to our brand new Malibu Design Loft.
The future of the automobile is about choice. Technology, and in particular, digitalization, enable us to create unique experiences.
And here it is, the Audi Skysphere concept.
The Audi Skysphere concept gives you a taste of Audi's upcoming design language. Basically, the car is designed around the interior. The body panel seems dropped over the glass core of the cabin. We ask ourselves, how can we merge both a sports car and a tour into one vehicle without compromising either experience? We needed a variable wheelbase. The long wheelbase offers ultimate comfort as well as elegance and beauty. Then the car transforms and you get a short wheelbase with all the agility and control you would expect from a sports car.
The Audi Skysphere is a celebration of progress and a celebration of impactful design, because it's in our hands to shape the world to come.
Think of freedom. A sphere full of possibilities. Experiencing power and ultimate luxury. A breath of fresh air. An escape from the ordinary. or disconnecting. Communicating without words, without limits. Freedom from and freedom to choose what's right. To create change. To shape the future. The sky is the limit. The Audi Skysphere concept. Freedom in motion.